my name is Usama bin Rizwan Tool and this is our project titled as Solar Powered Electric Vehicle Battery Charger. The converter which we are using in this charger is the resonant converter. So this is the overview of the charger. This is the display screen. This is the Arduino microcontroller. The resonant converter consists of three main parts. This is the inverter, the resonant tank and the rectifier. The resonant tank in this converter which we are using is the LLC resonant tank, and this is the resonant tank transformer. Basically the frequency, the gain of the converter is controlled with the variation of frequency. This is a variable frequency generator. This generator uses a SG3525 IC. Frequency value of this IC is controlled with the timing resistor value. So we have used a digital potentiometer for the controlling of the frequency. The signal to this digital potentiometer is sent through the Arduino microcontroller. On the solar side and on the battery side, there are voltage and current measurement setups. The Arduino microcontroller is implemented with incremental conductance MPPT algorithm. On the basis of the feedback from the solar, the Arduino microcontroller tries to extract maximum power for the solar panel, and according to that, it gives signal to the timing resistor which changes the frequency of the whole converter. So the gain of the converter is also changed. These are the two solar panels that are connected with the charger. Each solar panel is of 180 watts. Both are connected in series, so the total array voltage is 360 watt. This is the electric vehicle prototype battery. It consists of 22 lithium-ion cells. All the cells are connected in series. Each cell has a capacity of 2000 mAh. And BMS is attached with the batteries for cell balancing. As all the cells are connected in series, the total maximum voltage is 90.4 volts. Now coming to the working of the project, the charger uses two different modes. The first one is the constant power mode and the second is the constant voltage mode. In the constant power mode, the charger extracts maximum power from the solar panel to charge the battery until the maximum voltage of 90.4 volts is reached. When the voltage is reached, the charging mode changes from constant power to constant voltage mode. And in the constant voltage mode, the charger tries to maintain that voltage until the charging current reduces to 1%. At that point, the charging is completed. So now we will see the working of the charger closely. This is the display screen which shows different performance parameters. In the first column, the parameters of the solar are given, which includes voltage, current, and power. Similarly, then the second column, the charger parameters are given. The flashing CP shows that the charger is currently working in constant power mode, and the frequency at which the charger is currently working is 40 kHz. The last column shows the battery parameters. The battery is currently at 85.45 volts. Due to this, the power mode is currently working. So now I will start the charging. So here you can see that the battery is currently charging at 340 milliamps, and the power that at which the battery is charging is around 30 watts. And you can see here that the battery voltage is constantly rising. It is 85.43 and it will rise. It is there now. You can see that it is 85.55 and increasing. The voltage from the solar is around 37 and the current that the solar is giving is around 3 amps. The frequency of the charger is lowered down to 30.48, which is the minimum frequency that the charger can go to extract the maximum power. So now almost 5 to 10 minutes have been passed, and you can see that the battery voltage is increased to 85.9 or 8, around 8, and the current that at which the battery is currently charging is 0.28 amperes. As the battery voltage is rising, the current decreases to maintain the constant power. The solar parameters are almost the same and the frequency is still at the minimum to reach the maximum gain. So this is the charging procedure of the solar powered electric vehicle battery charger. And this is all from this video. Thank you so much.